My plants have exploded in growth over the past few weeks with the increased warmth and rain, so I decided it was time to prune my rose bush. I also have another one on the other side of the house that I haven't pruned yet. I had a lot more roses than usual, and instead of just putting them in the yard waste bin, I decided to make some DIY bouquets with stuff I had around the house and give them out at work since Mother's Day is coming up. I planted this rose bush in 2020. It was quite small back then, maybe 6 inches tall, so it has grown quite a bit. There was also a white rose bush that I used to have that was about 5 feet away from it, but unfortunately it did not survive. I think it died last year. I love to cut the roses occasionally and put them on a vase on my table. Okay, so these are the harvested or pruned roses. I'm going to try to give them away at work and then just put them into these little jars. I have a bunch of these extra ones that I've just been crafting and painting. So I put them all into these little jars and put some water in them. I'm going to carry these in the box to work and just give them out at work for free. Put them in our kitchen area and just send out an email to people. I usually do that when I bake cupcakes and bread and stuff. So these are my leftover stems. Got some saran wrap and some tissue paper and ribbon, rubber bands. So I'm trying to create little bouquets. So for the items I'm using to make the bouquets, there's stuff I already had in the house and stuff I collect from packaging. So leftover rubber bands from just any products or, things that we get. And then I save tissue paper from packaging or from gifts that I get. I have a whole bundle, different colors, everything. And then I'm spraying them to keep them wet, spraying the roses to keep them wet. And then using saran wrap. This saran wrap I think it's like 8 or 9 years old. I got it from one of my soldiers when I was helping her move out of her apartment. So, and then this ribbon I also collect from gifts. I haven't used this yet. I'm using twine, and I bought this twine years ago as a part of a craft project. But yeah, the ribbon I take from gifts as well, and then the flowers, or the roses, excuse me, are from my yard.